Hello there, it is Victory from Camden Financial Exchange. It's been a while, yes, it has, since I made videos on technical analysis. But before I get right into this analysis, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And also turn on the notification icon so that when I drop videos you get it. Also, if you're watching this on TikTok, you can follow me. You can also search me out on YouTube. It's still KMD Financial on YouTube in capital letters. So into the video for today, technical analysis. As you can see, I am starting off with DXY. I'm starting off with DXY, and the last video that I made this analysis, and then the market was around this level, and I highlighted this particular level over here, and I said that so far market was still above this level over here, that I will technically and cautiously be bullish on US dollar. I'll be bullish on US dollar, and then I also said that I'm going to get bearish on US dollar once market has taken out this level and broken down from that level and start hitting levels like these and levels like this. All these levels were already predefined on my chart. So as market gets to these levels, you can also see as markets are reacting to most of this level. So far so good. What am I able to spot on the DSY currently? So yes, we are in an uptrend, but ever since this particular level was lost, we've seen the XY and a slope. But right now, the XY is currently at this level. This particular at this level, and something interesting caught my attention, and I saw, let me right, you want to know where I got that level from? You can see where I picked that level up from, right over here. So that is a level to watch out for, and as market has come into this level, we can see that we had our low on that level, we had another low on that level before market is pushing up from that level, and in doing so, it is giving us something like this on a daily time frame. So what I'm watching out for is today's closing prices and Monday's closing prices. If today closing prices should close above this particular set level, and Monday should come back and retest this level and retest that level, then I'm expecting a price to go up. What am I trying to explain? So let's say price closes above here. Today price pushed up and closed above here, then Monday comes back, retests the level, and pushes up. Then I'm expecting the market to do maybe something like this into maybe my trend line, push back a bit, maybe come back to here, to this level to test it again, or at the highs over here, and that place acts as resistance, and then I get a breakout from that. I get a breakout from that level to the upside, something like that. This is one area. What one scenario I'm watching now? Why am I watching for this scenario to play out? You see, I've talked about this in the market before, imbalances. Let me quickly run through it so you guys will understand what I'm trying to explain. See, this particular candle that broke that particular level sold, and the next 3 days sold. But after the 3 days of selling pressure, the market did some little correction. If you can notice closely, the candle that followed it the next day did not retrace this particular candle. There was no retracement on it. The candle on the third day also did not. There was no retracement. Now for the next 2 days, what the market did was this: the market went and gave us a retracement into the body of that candle, and you can see we got about 38% retracement, close to a 50% retracement on that particular move. Then what happened? Market did what? Market pushed down and went down. And then what happened? Market picked up again from right over this level. And what do we get finally? We got our 61% retracement of that particular candle. And then what happened? We got the 61% of that candle right around that level. And then what happened next? We now had a parabolic fall to the downside. It was like the market collapsed to the downside, but then the imbalance right here was completely filled out, though it took days work. It took a lot of days work. This was like more than a week's work for it to fill it up. So right now we are having something similar that is building up again. The market keeps repeating itself. No matter how long, it keeps repeating itself. We have the first candle that closed bearish, no single retracement. Second candle closed bearish, no single retracement. Third candle bearish, no single retracement. You also have some days closing bearish. Now all the push to this upside, even to today's work, this is what is been able to give us so far a retracement into these particular candles. That is just the level over here. So yes, as you can see, for these markets, these particular candle right over here to here is yet to be filled out with lots of imbalances, and this candle here is left to be filled out, and here's left to be filled out, no single filling out. So there's a lot of imbalances in that market, and if we're not getting a W pattern market structure on a daily time frame, if this should be complete, we get a W pattern on a daily time frame, you already know that a market structure like a W pattern, it means a reversal or a correction, and the move sometimes is extensive. So we can have a greater push depending on where market closed today. Market closes above this level and Monday closes above this same level, then we know that market is now in between the here and here, this range, and we see as next week is going to play. Whether we get a deeper correction into this level, we watch to see, or markets may be pushing up to this particular level and then tanking from there to continue the downtrend that we have seen. But for now, this is what is developing, and this is one scenario that could play out for DXY. This is one scenario that could play out for DXY. So in as much as these markets could has a possibility of pushing up, if this market fail to recover this level and close above it, and we have market closing below this area, there's closing, then this area can also serve as resistance and push price back to this level, and then we might see the market play a range until we get a breakout. But if this market should break out from this level, then we'll be stuck seeing lower levels like this level coming into play in the weeks to come, and this is what I'm seeing on DXY right now. But this is this is a magnet for that will attract buyers to come into the market. And then in correlation to Gbpusd, you can see how the Gbpusd chart is like an inverse of the the XY charts. So we all know that towards the end of last year, Gbpusd was on the downtrend, and yeah, primarily this year we can see that the trend has changed to an uptrend, and yes, we are in an uptrend. But what we've really seen from the market for the past week, we've seen the market gone sideways, and we've seen a bit of lost in momentum for the bulls. So that is what we've been noticing, and the loss in momentum cannot be overemphasized than when markets broke down from this mini trend line that I placed here. So uh, today's opening, our market, we are seeing the market trending for the first time below that level. So we watch to see where the market closes today is very important. Will it still close above? Will it close below? If market closes below and Monday closes below, yes, we know that we now start knowing that the bulls are losing momentum, and ever since these market broke out of these highs right over these levels, we've seen market broke out with this particular momentum candle. Yeah, we're yet to get a proper retest of this trend line for us to see that is going to hold or fail. And if this place fails to hold as support, then there is a likelihood that we will see this level first, and maybe these bottom of this channel. Yeah, we might see it come into play. That is if the XY should go for those corrections that I showed you, those imbalances that I showed you on the XY chart. If the XY should go for that correction, the move should also equal the move to the channel of this support, and you can see clearly that this area is quite strong for it, because we've had several touches level from that level already. So it's an area to watch out for, watch to see first if this area will serve as if this area right over here will serve as support for the market to pull back, and then we get in the market shorts, or we see the market crashing from there. And in as much as I talked about imbalances, and I showed you guys the imbalances on DXY, the strength of dollar, this is also the same thing happening here. You can see the imbalance here, one. You can see the second imbalance candle here. You can also see the third imbalance candle over here. Ever since market broke out with this, ever since market broke out with that candle, ever since market broke out with that candle, please hold on. Sorry, I'm having technical issues at the moment. Sorry. Having technical issues at the moment. Can't find alright, let me see. Let me use this instead. So ever since market broke out with it from this particular candle, the market has not really come back to filling those candles or those imbalances over there, and that's with this breakdown that we're seeing after this range right over here, with this breakdown that we're seeing from this particular trend line right over here, that might be that might be our that might be our signal that, oh, market may be going for the correction. Market might be now be going for the correction. So the today's closing and Monday's closing is very important. If today and Monday closes right below this particular trend line, yes, there is a high chance that we're going for these imbalances over here, because even with the pullback to this particular level over here, we've still not gotten even a 61% retracement of this particular candle. That is a fact. So this is an opportunity. But if this area should hold as support, then we watch here this area over here for to whether the market will break out from there. Once market break out from there, the market will play a range from this level to over this level, and then we see as the market will pan out from there. But if market should close below this level on the coming 2 days to come, Monday and today, then there is a likelihood that we see markets, come here, maybe pick up, come back here, but there is a chance that we'll get to the bottom of this trend line, and that is what I'm noticing. I hope it helps. The video seems a bit lengthy, and I'm having technical issues right now, so do like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.